everyone, welcome back to Remote Ramblers, where we have yet another project coming in hot for you. This week we have found something else on Facebook Marketplace, crazy, right? And this is a barrister cabinet that we found locally. It is $20. It has a little bit of work that we need to do to it, but that's why we're here. We love upcycling and we love fixing things up to fit into our bus. So this barrister cabinet is pretty cool. It's got these 4 doors that slide back like this. And it has a ton of space inside. So our goal with this is to make it into our pantry cabinet for our kitchen.
Here you can see that I am taping off our glass windows, and Ben has just removed the flimsy backing that comes on these shelves. I think it's like a cardboard. That's not super structural, so we are going to replace that with plywood, which we have already painted. Alright you guys, so we have deconstructed everything. We have taken the back off, removed the doors and the handles, and as you can see, this cabinet is flimsy, or as Ben would say, agile. But to fix that, we have bought these little L brackets, or metal L brackets, and we're going to be strategically placing them in order to strengthen this frame, and then it'll get even stronger when we attach this to the 1/2-inch plywood that we have.
So what we've done so far, we have 2 coats of Kills primer applied to the cabinet and the doors that we took off. We also have 2 coats of Sherwin Tempe Star, and I think it's looking pretty good. We have a painted board of Tempe Star that we're going to apply to the back of here to give it some more structural strength. And then Brandi has this little film here, and she'll tell you what we're doing next.
Yeah, so these will be applied to our doors. The doors are essentially like a window that has glass on them, and because this is going to have food and a lot of other things in it, we want to not have it all clear glass, so we'll be applying the film to it. So we think it's gonna look great. Let's get to work. All right, you guys, we are geared up. So what happened was we put the film that we got for the glass on the glass, realized that we really were not wowed. I mean, it was okay, it didn't look that bad, but there was nothing good, nothing spectacular about it. So we are headed into Home Depot to find something that will look spectacular on that glass. So it is okay to try something that you think is gonna work on a DIY project and then change your mind if you hate it. That's the whole point, right? We are trying to decide on what we think will work best. It's a little difficult because I think we're wanting to match this to our ceiling panels. So originally thinking a silvery color, but we're wanting something with a bit of texture to it. So we do kind of this hammered Rust-Oleum, but just trying to explore all of our options and keep an open mind.
Here is the final piece. So we are super happy with how this turned out. We really like the addition of the gray cabinet fronts here for the windows. I think it looks great. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you do the same as we did? Would you change something or multiple things? We'd love to hear what you think. Be sure to like and subscribe this video. It helps us out a ton. And we will be making new videos every Sunday about bus conversions, schoolie builds, schoolie life, DIY projects. Thanks so much, guys. See you next week.